Good morning, YouTube. I am here vlogging for the first time ever. And the kids just left. They went to their little preschool, so you can see all their bowls and stuff on the counter because I can never keep the house clean. So today, while I put all this stuff away, is a filming day. So I'm going to go and get ready to do some filming. And the video that I'm filming is probably the one just up this past Thursday, I guess, by the time you see this. But yeah, so it is officially Monday, first day of vlogging, and yeah, I've never done anything like this before, and no, that's a lie. I did vlogging like ages and ages ago, and then I just sort of gave up on it because I wanted to continue doing all of my makeup videos, and now I kind of want to get back into it again. I've been watching a lot of vlog type videos lately, and it's been really fun, so I want to kind of talk about some of the things I want to do, I guess, this year, because it is the start of a new year. New year, new vlog. I haven't even brushed my hair yet, YouTube. Maybe I should do that first. That's a little bit better. So I want to talk about some of the things I want to do this year, because there are a bunch of goals that I try and set for myself every year. And so one of the things that I want to do is I want to eat healthier. I am not the healthiest person when it comes to eating. And so that's one thing that I really want to work on this year. And so Chris and I have been working on just healthier recipes, healthier versions of like the recipes and stuff that we already love. Another thing I really want to work on is exercising, and I know it's something that everyone says in January, and I feel like I'm not going to be able to stick to it. I'm one of those people, I'm so stubborn when it comes to working out. Like, my sister is really, really good. By the way, do you love my shirt? This is from Loving Tan, and they sent it to me, and I'm obsessed with it because it's so comfortable, but it's hilarious. I feel like the mailmen always judge me when I come to the door with a shirt on, but anyway, besides the point. So exercising. So basically my entire family, they're really, really good at working out, and they work out constantly. Every single week, they're like on it, and that is not me at all, not even a little bit. And so basically my entire exercise regime is chasing after my kids, which is still exercise. Like, I feel like I'm still like running around and doing stuff all the time, but it's not as, I guess, regimented, and I want to set a good example for my kids and kind of try and make that more of a priority. So because my sister's really good at it, and she's only working part-time right now, I've asked to see if she wants to come in and like work out with me. And because again, I'm also a homebody and I don't like to leave my house. Another thing I want to do is I just want to wear more outfits that aren't pajamas. And I talked about this a little bit on Twitter, and a lot of you were asking like, why? Because I live in pajamas so much, and I feel so much more put together when I actually have an outfit on, and I need it to be also like practical for not only just like filming, but like running around with the kids and stuff. And that's what I want. I want to feel productive and motivated to work. And so I feel more like that when I have clothes on that aren't pajamas. I know it's not a great example, like right now I'm wearing Costco pants and a free shirt I got from Lovington, but you know what? I'm working on it. And I'm very self-conscious about choosing outfits and stuff. Like, I'm more on the chestier side of things, especially when I was like nursing my kids and stuff. And so I'm like super uncomfortable with dressing my body, especially because all of the like big fashions right now are like sheer and low cut. And I'm like, no, that is not for me. Another thing I want to work on is being just more open about my struggles with anxiety. Like, I feel like I am pretty open about them. I've dealt with it probably for a good solid 10 years, I think. And I'm on a low dose medication for it, and I have been for years. I tried going off it and that didn't work. And I know that sometimes it's like a hot topic for people, and they don't really want to talk about it, and they don't want to feel like they need to be like medicated in order to feel better. For me, I always look at it like, you know, if you are diabetic, you might need insulin. And that doesn't mean that you're broken. It just means that you need something to assist you in feeling yourself. And that's how I view being medicated for anxiety. Not everyone needs it. Like, I talked to doctors, I researched it. Like, I did a lot of stuff to kind of figure out what would work best for me. and I found something that did. And so I feel like more like myself. It's connecting, like, it's creating bridges basically in my brain that allow the serotonin to pass through and allow my body and my brain to function properly. So I kind of want to show you guys the ups and downs, because it's not like, you know, you go on medication and then you're fixed. If you ignore the issues that are causing you anxiety, you're still gonna feel anxiety even with the medication. And then on a lighter note, I also really want to, you know, do more decor stuff in the house. I want to redo our countertops in our kitchen. I want to put in like the mudroom space, potentially like redo our bathroom, like all these fun, like I can't do all of them. Like I don't have money trees growing out in my backyard. You guys always ask about the gray couch that we have downstairs. That's from Costco, and like just doing little things like that. I'm like, ooh, I want to do more. I want to add curtains. I want to change the rug. I want to do this. I want to do that. Like all these fun things. So I'm going to be vlogging more of that process as well. And those are like the big things. I'm sure I'll think of more stuff as I continue to do this. I don't know how often I'm going to film vlog stuff, maybe every other week to start. I'm going to try and film our meals. I'm going to try and film while I'm like doing my makeup and stuff. I always want to, this isn't helping what you're trying to do here, Rachel. If there's other stuff you guys want to see in these videos, let me know. This first one might be a little bit of like random footage all kind of like mushed together. I'm gonna do my best to try, but like I'm not used to doing this, so I'm gonna try it. We're gonna see what happens. So now I'm going to continue doing my makeup here, as I've spent like friggin' forever on my brows because I'm trying to like talk and also do makeup. I'm going to throw on some Housewives. I like to watch Housewives and like relax, and I don't know, watching the same show over and over, one that I don't have to like think about. I like to do that while I'm doing my makeup. So I'm gonna go do that, gonna do the makeup, and then we're gonna get to filming. Okay, just finished filming, and I also did some swatches. I have to pull my hair back and I put on a sweater because I'm so cold right now. But my lips, you can see they're stained because I just did a little Instagram video swatching a whole bunch of lip products. So now my lips are like slathered with coconut oil because like, oh my gosh, they're burning. So that should be up soon. And yeah, you can see the disaster that is my desk right now. Just covered in makeup, and I don't even want to look at it right now. So yeah, I'm gonna go and hang out with the kiddos and get them a snack and stuff, and I'm gonna go make myself some tea. I need some tea. Okay, so it has been a bit of a day. So the kids went down for sleep. We had dinner, had burgers and fries. So much for being healthy. I did manage to make a salad, so that's good. And also cook carrots, so we did do that. So now I'm going to clean this up again. Honestly, it's like every 10 minutes I need to clean this kitchen. So I'm going to clean that, and then I'm going to bake cookies, because I don't know if you know this, but I really like cookies and I don't have any more of the dough. So usually what I'll do is I'll do a double recipe, and then I'll freeze it in either balls or in logs, and then I'll just cut off how much I want and like bake it pretty much every night. Just saying. And so I'm going to go do that, and then I'm going to do the thumbnail for my video for tomorrow, and then I'm gonna call it a night. First I need to bake cookies. Okay, where's my recipe? I totally took a picture of this on my phone and then uploaded it to my Dropbox. Double batch of cookies is happening, people. I sat down on the couch and I ate cookies, and I just watched a whole bunch of YouTube story times. I got sucked into the world of YouTube story times. Oh my gosh, my brain. You know when you just watch so many videos that you feel drunk? That's what I feel like right now. But I haven't had any alcohol, so I don't understand. So yeah, I need to take off my lashes. I need to go edit tomorrow's video. This is a big disaster, but I don't care. I'm gonna deal with it tomorrow. Don't want to deal with it right now. Hey guys, so today we are actually having a lighting expert come over because my lighting has been all over the place and it's been driving me crazy because it's so hard to get it to like, I don't know, the lighting to balance, and there's like colors and stuff. Like, I'm not trained in this stuff. I don't know what I'm doing. So we're bringing in someone who is an expert at it, and they're gonna help me with all my like lighting stuff right here. You guys can see. And it takes so much time in post to like fix it up. So now I'm gonna put on a little bit of sorry, I was vacuuming, and clearly that was too much exercise for me. It's so funny how as soon as you have like people come over, your house is immediately like spotless. Like my house doesn't look like this. But they don't know that. So here is the makeup that we are going to be using today all the way along. And yeah, everything else is like stuff I know that is going to work and be pretty easy to put together.
So this alone is kind of giving you a better idea of what we're going for.
Forgot this can't zoom in. It doesn't focus. There we go. Okay.
And then we have that stuff over there, and then we're gonna have to shimmy around. I think that could be.
Oh, it looks so good. Does it look good? Oh, yay! I'm so excited.
That alone is a huge improvement right there. There we go. See, right now you have about 4 inches in front.
Oh goodness.
Yeah, 4 inches.
That's not a lot of space.
If you go 4 inches in, then you're visibly out of focus. So
okay.
The thing is that what we would need to do is either move this even closer, okay, right? So that I can still stop this down, like I can close it more, and at the same time you'll have a little more wiggle room.
Yep.
Or
well, that's it. That's all the options I have.
That's pretty much it.
Right, for dinner today, what do we have? We have roasted vegetables, and what is this?
Pan sauce for the pork chops.
And we have French fries, and I assume this is pork? Yep. Ooh. That looks really good. I get to go shopping sans kids today. It's so exciting. This never, ever happens as I attempt to get my boots on. Oh, dropping keys. So I have a couple of returns I need to make from like kids' clothes over Christmas and stuff that didn't end up fitting. Oh, stepped on my keys. I'm really good at vlogging, guys. I'm also going to be doing a little shopping for myself. So yeah, let's do this. I get to the mall and I realize that one of my returns can only be returned to US Gymborees. It's okay, it's okay. I have other returns, but I mostly just want to shop for myself, so. This has my name on it. I need it. Need it. Naturally, I had to buy some soap because who can resist Bath & Body Works? All right, so that was minorly successful. I got soaps, which I needed, and I also got a really cute sweater, so pretty stoked about that. And it's 11:53, and I'm so hungry, and I have no food except for chocolate chip cookies in my purse, so we're going there. Don't judge me. There's really nothing like sitting parked in your car eating stale cookies from a bag. Just had the best meeting with Natalie, who has been designing a whole bunch of stuff for our house. I was so excited. You can see all of her like notes here on curtains and stuff that she's gonna be doing soon. Christopher is playing, what is this called? Zelda? Yep. Zelda. I like to background watch video games. If you watched my video on like things you probably didn't know about me, that is one of them. And now, while the kiddos are napping, I'm gonna go and edit video for, I guess, well, technically it's tomorrow, but you're watching this on Saturday, so Thursday? That is all my plan right now. Oh, and I have to clean the kitchen. No! So I thought I would film what is a very real anxiety moment right now. This is where I sleep, this is where I work, this is everything is in here, and I've already cleaned off the desk. Anyway, I've been tearing apart this room looking for the products and all of these bins. All of these bins have specific products in them, and each of these bins have, you know, 20 different products, 30 different, 50 different products in them, and all of those need to be put away and filed and organized in a way so that I can find what I need when I need it. And some are left in bins because I need to use them later for testing purposes, for updates on hauls, putting away products in areas that need to be tested versus ones that have been tested. Are they going into my normal everyday drawers? Are they going into like my mass makeup stuff? Like it was crazy and I couldn't find it. I pulled apart everything and then I realized that I had been too organized and I had already put it in these little like drawers. You can see that there's a drawer missing right there because all the product was in there, and I just had a meltdown when I actually found it. And that happens sometimes. And the only thing that I can do is take a deep breath. I'm going to put on some mindless shows and just work through it like piece by piece. And I'm like just talking to myself. It's like, okay, we're starting at one end of the room. We're going to put everything away. Everything that's going to get recycled goes over here. Garbage goes over here. Product goes over here. And it's just like a methodical sort of way for me to handle it. It's hard because like I want to spend time with my kids and, you know, help my husband with dinner and set up and stuff downstairs, and I can't because I need to deal with this right now. And that's a real moment. Like, as a working mom, I know there's other ones out there, and it can get very stressful trying to balance between being a mom and working, and I love both. And so anyway, it's a constant battle. The kids are happy. They're watching Magic School Bus. They don't care at all, but it really affects me. So anyway, I just wanted to show you the real moment that everything isn't always, you know, as picture perfect as they look on Instagram. We all have our moments, and this is mine.
Hey guys, so feeling a lot better versus yesterday. The room is still like a complete disaster, but what I decided to prioritize was just getting all of my makeup and everything set up for the filming. By the way, do you love my clip? Julia's been doing my hair today. And then I decided that I would rather spend some time hanging out with my kids before they went to bed versus cleaning up. But I'm at the point now, I'm filming on my phone because I can't find my vlogging camera anywhere. So I'm like, enough is enough. I need to do something about this. And today has just been just a scatterbrain kind of a day. I filmed, which was a lot of fun. I always just like blank out of everything, and it's just like such a happy time when I film. So just like I was hanging out, and it was really fun. And now I just spent like the last 20 minutes with Chris trying to figure out what we're gonna do for dinner. And I like always we wait until last night. Like it's 4:50 right now, and like we eat dinner early because the kids go to bed early. And it's just like no idea. We're doing pierogies and shredded pork, like pulled pork, which we do often on nights where we can't think of anything to make. And it's just like, and like I am eating crackers right now because I'm hungry, and it's just like my whole plan to like eat healthy has not been working out for me, and I'm lazy, and I know that I should plan in advance and, you know, cut up carrots and stuff, and at the same time it's just like, it's like all last minute, and I have other things I need to get done, and crackers are easy and carrots are not. So I need to get better at that. That's something that I need to start working on, and that's what this vlog is for, is to keep me accountable. And yeah, so that's something I'm gonna work on, but not today. It's not happening. And yeah, so tonight I'm going to be organizing this disaster zone behind me and putting my products and all that stuff, editing this video, which is going up tomorrow. And yeah, just getting ready for the week. And I think I'll do some more vlogging if that's something you guys are interested in. But hopefully you found this somewhat entertaining, somewhat easy to follow. I feel like I'm talking a lot in this type of video, but let me know if it's something you guys enjoy and you want to see more of. So I'm gonna go help Chris with dinner now, and then yeah, I'm just gonna be organizing the entire night. I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of random vlog, and give it a big thumbs up if you want to see more vlogs in the future. And I hope you're having a great weekend, and I'll see you all next week. Love you guys. Mwah.